Hi, everyone. I'm Andrea Trank, and I wanted to share with you a little reminder video on how important it is to practice tools, especially new ones that you're learning to try to create a new habit. So I was listening to Dr. Joe Dispenza, who is world renowned, and he was explaining that you do create new neural connections every time you learn something new. But if you do not practice the new thing you've learned within the first couple of days, then your brain and the nervous system just prunes those new neural connections out and they're gone. So I taught you something new about the importance of getting into coherence with your heart and your brain in order to emotionally regulate yourself and feel better and think better and be able to sleep better. So now here is the practice that you need to do in order for this to become a new habit. It takes just a couple of minutes a day. So find a way to comfortably sit in any chair that you are, or if you're doing this first thing in the morning in your bed, or lastly at night. Just don't lie down because you might end up falling asleep. And then feel your seat on the chair and feel your feet on the floor. Begin to slow your breathing down, possibly to a pace of 5 seconds on the inhale and 5 seconds on the exhale. That's considered comfortable for many people. If that's too slow or too fast for you, make it a slower than normal but comfortable pace. You can place your hand on your heart or not. Your eyes can be opened or closed. So focus your attention on the heart center and allow your breath to come in and out of your chest area. Already notice what changes your body is experiencing just with this pause of slowing your breath down and activating the neurons within your heart. Step 2 is to activate an uplifting feeling. Now, Dr. Dispenza and many other people say gratitude is a great uplifting feeling for many reasons, because if you can activate being grateful for something, then you already experience that thing in your body. For instance, let's say you want to be healthier and you activate gratitude for your health. What that is doing is sending to the messages to all the cells and everything in your body and all the brain cells that you are already healthy. So you have set an intention, you've activated the gratitude for it, even before it happens. So find something you can feel grateful for. And breathe that feeling of gratitude in and out of your heart or chest center. If you're finding this difficult, because maybe you're in a difficult place in your life, then visualize a memory, something that's beautiful, that you appreciate, where you felt like in a really good place. Try to do this just as if it's happening today. In other words, not with nostalgia. Keep breathing in and out this uplifting feeling. Keep your focus on your heart or chest area. Now, how long did this take? A couple of minutes. Can we devote a couple of minutes every day to establishing a new habit that we know will improve our life? And it's going to be uncomfortable for the first few days because we like to go back to what we remember, what we know. We don't like new things. So if you can get through that discomfort of the first few days of doing this, it's going to get easier and you are going to see the results. So I hope this is helpful. This is Andrea. Reach out to me if I can personally help you. And we usually do this. We usually put a heart up. Take care.